Hi everybody, this is the Math 10C Exponents and Radicals review package. This is short answer number 3. Determine the least common multiple of each of the following. Okay, well, my approach here is going to be really similar to the approach that we did in the previous question where we found the greatest common factor. And in fact, I'm going to be a little bit lazy here because I already know the prime factors. I know the prime factors, or prime factorization of 12 is 2 squared times 3 to the 1. And that for 32, what I wrote in the previous one, this was 2 to the 5th. Okay? Now, I am going to write the 3 to the 0 there just to make a point here. Now, for my lowest common multiple, okay, what I do is I list off the prime factors that I see in the above here, but this time I'm using the largest exponent. Okay? The exponent that I'm dealing with here should be able to subsume both possibilities. So 2 to the 5th is the largest between 0 and 1, and I don't know why I wrote a 5 there. That is actually really weird. That is a 3, and it'll be 3 to the 1. So 2 to the 5th times 3 to the 1, so that's 32 times 3, whoops. And I'm going to get 96. So the least common multiple of those two numbers will be 96. Take a look over here for this next one. I already know from the previous question that 140 is 2 squared times 5 times 7. 392, and in this case I included the term that, the factor that didn't exist, so I wrote as, 2 cubed times, I wrote 5 to the 0 in the previous question, 7 squared. And then 490 is 2 times 5 times 7 squared. And the least common multiple, again, is going to have all three of these prime factors there, but this time with the largest exponent, so it's going to be 2 cubed, 5 to the 1, and then 7 squared. So that is going to be 8 times 5 times 49. So the least common multiple of these is going to be 1,960. And now finally take a look at this last question here. 441 we already know is going to be 3 squared times 7 squared. And actually in this case I'm tempted to include the 11 to the 0 times 13 to the 0. 693 is going to be 3 squared times 7 times 11 to the 1 times 13 to the 0, because it doesn't show up there, but it is a part of this problem. 819 is 3 squared times 7 times 11 to the 0 times 13 to the 1. Okay, and so my least common multiple will be all 4 of those factors, and this time with the largest exponent, so 3 squared, 7 squared, 11 to the 1, 13 to the 1, so this is actually going to be kind of a big value here. So 9 times 49 times 11 times 13, and we get, wow, 63063. There we go. Oops, I was almost right off the page there. There you go.